there, YouTube. Opinionative Reviewer here, bringing you guys an awesome tweak review of KBShortCuts. It's by iSam, same guy that created Double App, and it's in the Big Boss repo for $250. Now, KBShortcut will cut down your typing production dramatically. This tweak is awesome. It basically it gives you keyboard shortcuts for your iOS keyboard. So let me just go ahead and demonstrate it, because I'll show you better by demonstrating. So you can see I have just random sentence here. I say just some random words so I could do a demonstration. And the best thing I like about it is it incorporates the default or the universal keyboard shortcuts. So say for instance I wanted to copy all of this or select all. I would go and hit tab. You have to do everything via the space tab. So I would tap the space tab, and then I'll go to A, which is Control All, and you can see it selected everything. If I wanted to cut it, I could go do the space and then X, which is Control X on your keyboard, and I cut it. If I wanted to paste it, I would do space V, which is Control V on your keyboard. You see where I'm going with this? And it would paste everything. So that's basically what it allows you to do. Now there's tons of different things. If I don't know Spanish, and I say, you can see I have C, which is yes in Spanish. I'll just go and select that, and then I'll do space T, which is for translate, and as you can see it says yes. So if I wanted to copy the translation, I could do that. So it has translation also. This thing is like super awesome. At first when I saw it, I thought it would have been too much to remember, but after playing with it, it's awesome. There's so much stuff that you can go and check out the menu. So if I wanted to check out the menu of all of the shortcuts, I would just go ahead and do space, the question mark. I tap that, and you can see there's all of the stuff right here, tons of different shortcuts and stuff. So now let's go ahead and try out the dictionary. There's one for definition. Look at right here where it says define word. So I'm going to go and tap demonstration. Let me double tap demonstration. I'm going to go and hold space and touch D. And it brings up a dictionary of demonstration. Could you beat that? Like, these are the key features that grasped me. The dictionary, the translate, and just a couple others. I'm like overwhelmed with it. I'm almost having an orgasm here playing with this tweak. But yeah, this thing is super awesome. I don't know if you need data connection for that, but let's go and test out a couple of the other features, which is the ones that you can go ahead and set like default stuff. So say for instance, I tell my mom that I love her a lot. Almost every night I say good night mom, or love you mama, or whatever, and I already configured that. So I would go ahead and I set it to be 1. So I would tap the space button and then go up by the 1, and as you can see it says night mama, love you. I know I'm a mama's boy, whatever, who isn't? Haha. But yeah, I put night mama, love you, and sometimes she tells me she loves me before I tell her, so I would just go and say night mom, love you too mama. Boom, just like that. And I also configured a couple other things. Let's just have fun with it right here. Let me just see what I have configured for number 5. So I'll go, oh, poo, what, where did that come from? Poo. And this one says, normally I don't tattle, but he did it. And then the black guy is going to reply, why? Is it because I'm black? As you guys can see, I had so much fun with this thing, but there's tons of shortcuts. There's definitely tons of stuff. Some of them I wouldn't use, but most of them I will use. There's bookmark, where you can set it to a certain point. Like say you're typing, you want to set it to a certain point, you can go back to that point. There's search, where you can search for words. There's a ton of stuff, and this tweak is awesome and definitely worth $250. Now you have to set it up, so I'm going to show you guys that. You go into configuration, you scroll down until you find a KBShortCuts right there, and in here you can set up everything. There's also child lock is enabled. You have to go ahead and you have to hold it in order for it to work. You can't just go and just touch it like that. You have to go and hold it in order for it to work. So there's tons of stuff. As you can see, these are the stuff that I have set up in here. These are the quick ones where if you use expression a lot, you can put it in here and use it. You can also enter your email by doing space and the @ sign. And that's basically it. You can set your language, you can enable and disable the tweak. Just one key thing to remember, when you set these up, you're going to have to respring. Well, that's how it is for me. I have to respring in order for these to take effect. When you don't respring, it doesn't work. So after you set these up, you just respring, and then it's going to be fine for you. So that's basically it. Once again, the tweak is in the Big Boss repo for $250. It's a matter of preference if you want to get it or not. With that being said, please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.